Hey guys, Sean out here in the forest in northern Wisconsin, walking in this black spruce bog. Show you some cool things in here. Bunch of black spruce pitch here. You can make chewing gum out of that. And a nice little deer trail here, and look at that. Little buck rub, starting to rub already. This here is Labrador tea. And yeah, you can make tea from it. Grows wild here in the bog. It's kind of fuzzy underneath. Cool little woodpecker hole, looking for insects. Birch polypore. Many tracks on the shoreline. Got some deer, raccoon here. Check this out, we got a wolf track. Here's the wolf track again. Another one here, raccoons. Got some old beaver chew here on this birch. Piggy cut the bottom of the birch there. When the water got high, he cut up on the top there. Pretty cool. Cool character in this driftwood stuff. Look at that. That might be a cool little root to make into a snake. Look at that. Man, it's neat. There we go. We got that root cut. Might be able to make a snake out of that, huh? It's pretty cool looking. Let's see if we can carve a snake out of that one day. That's a cool little rock, huh? Look at that. Got some chaga growing on this birch tree here. Not too bad of a size. A little piece down below. Chaga mushroom. Beavers are getting busy. Starting to chew, make their feed piles for winter.